बच्चों से ना कीजिए चांद सूरज का वायदा, ये तो चंद कंचों में ही खुश हो जाते हैं। मिथिलेश जी ने भी ये लाइन्स लिखी होंगी। मे बी दोज वर इनोसेंट टाइम्स, दैट्स व्हाई ही हैज रिटन. It may not hold so true in today's time, when children are born out of the worms with the Androids, WhatsApps, and YouTube. So when children are born out of such worms, and how can you expect they are not going to catch hold on your smartphones? They are certainly going to do so. So what I'm trying to say is, it is tough time during the quarantine period, and we all know we are struggling hard to make our children sit or get on to studies. But then again, you have to make sure that you are putting all the spilled beans together. You have to make sure that their study time, their activity time, and their extracurricular activities are being balanced out. That is your responsibility to make sure. So my point is that you will say that I always talk about pre-primary or kindergarten kids, because I have my child who is 4+, and it just takes me there. So let's start from kindergarten. Kindergarten students, your kitchen is everything. Like, imagine the days when there were no textbooks, there were no technology, and there were no toys even. जैसे आपने रामायण में भी देखा होगा, सीता माँ ने किस तरह से उनको धनुष बना के बो एंड एरो वो सब सिखाया, स्किल सिखाई. सो स्किल ट्रेनिंग goes through the moms basically, right? Obviously fathers have the role to play. If they have talents, like whatever talents they have, they can transfer it to their children. Moms and fathers both have the responsibility to share. If father is good at chess, you can let your child learn that. If moms are good at cooking skills, literary skills, dancing, singing, whatever it is, pass it on to your children. This is the right time. And I know that time is just going to finish. It's too late. I'm talking about it. I got busy with my household chores, and then looking after my daughter, and then making her syllabus. Many things were there. So I got late in talking to you all. But then again, it's never too late, because you may never know how the structure is going to be. Education structure is going to be different when even lockdown reopens. We are going to be very sensible towards hygiene issues. We are going to be very sensible towards how it is going to, although schools are really working on it, they are going to make sure that when children come, the school is totally in a well framed environment they are going to be in, and online learning will certainly be a part, and maybe the school hours are going to be reduced. Something, some changes, amendments will be there. So we have to make sure that we are making our child groomed in such a way that he or she is capable to adjust according to the changing scenarios. So all I want is, for pre-primary kitchen, you can go with, I will discuss in next video what are the things you can put from the kitchen. For primary children, again, many things are there. E-learning apps are there, and then you can go with the story books. You can go with basics, math, English, science. These are three basic, obviously Hindi as well. You have to make sure that these three are very strong. Rest are learning subjects, so you have to ensure that their math, English and science, these conceptual are really good. And if your child has interest in other subjects, you can go with other subjects as well, but basically you have to make sure that these subjects are strong enough. Then moving on to senior students, that whatever we do, learning should not stop, and along with the learning you have to make sure कि आपका बच्चा सेल्फ सेंटर्ड नहीं बने और सेल्फ रिलायंट बने, सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बने, राइट? आप बच्चों को मेक श्योर करिए कि वो खुद से सेल्फ कुकिंग, लिटिल कुकिंग स्किल्स, बी इट अ गर्ल और अ बॉय, कुकिंग स्किल्स आना बहुत ज़रूरी है राइट नाउ. And confidence level should be very good, and they should be humble. Then vocational training is very important. Okay, and some kind of online courses they should go for, because as I said unemployability होने वाली है और आपको dynamic रहना है.